So, as I've mentioned, I really want my second quarter of the year to be productive, amazing, feel good, and all of those things. So, I thought I would start 75-day hard challenge, and I'll talk more about that later on. I have no patience. I have to finish this drink and go work out because that's a good start for a reset for me. Okay, I'll see you soon. It's been a while that I'm back from gym and I really want to deep clean my room. I want to clean out the surfaces. It's super messy. Like I want to clean out this right and my desk is messy as always. There's that chair. I don't know why it exists, but it exists. So I have to clean that out. My wardrobe is quite clean from the last. So I think I'm good with that.
There is only one of you, only one of me. There's a million of those who won't let us be. But they're not gonna see me bleed. Cause baby, I got you. I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby, I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try, but they can never take me down. Ooh.
So, because my first quarter did not go so well, I thought I would start the second quarter with 75 hard challenge. I mean, what should I even tell you? I am so scared to even start that. It starts from tomorrow. I am trying to prep for it as much as possible mentally, and I don't know, it just seems so unreal. I thought at one point I would try and do a 75 hard when I am mentally there. But right now I am not, and I'm super scared to make sure that I actually end up finishing the challenge and doing it right for 75 days. I think I should have few arsenals in my pocket because I know it's going to be hard. I think I have a problem with consistency. I am not as consistent as I would like to be. This is going to be a hard reality that I have to face, and I thought it would be interesting for me to, you know, just see where I'm at, like how consistent I can be with this as a challenge. So, okay, things that I'm doing actually to prep for this challenge is meal prepping. That's one thing I'm doing. Second, I picked out few books that I want to read. There's this other thing that I want to do to make sure that I have different routines for different energies. I still don't know how I would make that work because I have to sit and figure it out because I do have low energy days that are like super concerning. I might want to just stay in bed, cuddle up, and do nothing because I know that's a major setback for me. I just want to be prepared. I just want to make sure that whatever is coming in the next 75 days, I am as prepared as I could be. And I have this notebook. I want to create a tracker. I want to do that in one grid. I want a physical copy of it, and I think it would release dopamine just knowing that I'm accomplishing something. So I think that also would be interesting. I think I would do that as well. Yeah, I think these for now because I don't know how the challenge is going to go. I think I would keep upgrading whatever I'm doing to make sure that I finish the challenge. But yeah, for now, I have to start the challenge to know if I would need anything in the first place. Okay. first, I think I want to create a summer bucket list. I've never done that. I've never truly enjoyed summer. So I kind of want to change that and try to make sure that I am having fun. For some reason, summer is also the time where you would love to do new things. You would love to do things that are outside your work and normal structure. So I think I do want to try it out this time. Yeah, so I think I would do a summer bucket list as well. And then obviously I have to plan for Kyoto, and I want to create a vision board and all of that, because first quarter did not go well. It did not go right. I got this notebook from Amazon. I There are few things that I'm trying out with this. Like, I wanted to try dopamine journal. I wanted to journal but not make it a huge deal. So yeah, I kind of picked this. I still didn't start journaling. I did prep for it for April and all of that. So I would give my thoughts later on. But for now, because I have to create a summer bucket list. Wait, where should I do that? I think it should be before the month that I'm planning to do. So yeah, I think this should do. So there are few things that I definitely want to try out. I want to go out for a class. I mean, it's super scary to do it alone, but yeah, I want to try a hobby, a workout, anything. I just want to go outside for a class. Just writing that gave me anxiety. Okay, second is I want to try new coffee recipes, and it kind of includes the brewing method and all of that. I want to try something that's different than regular instant coffee. I mean, I do a French press kind of coffee, or I even do cold brew and stuff, but I do want to try something else. And if not making of the coffee, I think I want to try new recipes, just enjoy summer sipping on coffee. And oh my god, just thinking about it is so wonderful. I can't believe one is giving me anxiety and one is like filling me with joy. And I also want to try fresh juices. So it could be a smoothie, it could be watermelon juice, or anything of that sort. I want to stay hydrated. Okay, next. Oh yeah, this is a good one. I want to try face icing in the morning, and I think it would be so refreshing because it's summer. And for some reason, I could never stick to that habit. I don't know why. But yeah, okay. I think this is the most summer thing I could ever do, and I never did it in my life purely because it costs too much. Nails. I want to get my nails done. Like, once. I just want to know what it feels like. I do have good nails. I don't have a problem with my nails. But just because it's summer, just because I've gone crazy, maybe, just because I'm doing this bucket list, maybe, I do want to get my nails done. So, yeah. But imagine searching for the nail inspo. It's going to be so much fun. Like, ooh, I'm excited. Another good thing. I want to get a lot of pictures of just summer things that I'm doing myself. I think taking pictures is one thing that I'm definitely excited about. Also, because I'm obsessed with coffee, I do want to explore new cafes. I think there's always something new to try out. So I do want to make it a conscious effort to explore. Okay, there's this other thing that I want to do. I think I want to hang out with my friends. I want to do, okay, let's call it one weekend trip, maybe. I want a staycation. And I wrote 7 till now, and I think this is a good stopping point because I don't want this to be a chore list. I want this to be a bucket list and have fun. Okay, I want to decorate it with hearts. Okay. And I'm super bad with doodling. I'm new to all of this. But ever since I got this book, I'm having so much fun with it. I mean, just sitting in one place and building this notebook is such a therapeutic thing that I could think of. I'm actually planning on doing another video, so maybe in that I would show you what did I do with this book. You have to wait. You have to wait for the next video, which I think is gonna come in 1 month. Okay. Hearts is the only thing that I can actually doodle. Look at that, it looks so cute. I told you I can't doodle. Can you look? That looks wonky, but it's okay. Okay, so I am done with the bucket list. I just hope that I stick to it and yeah, just have fun. Okay, I want to plan my month and I'll get back to you in some time. Yeah.
Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise, I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and I can't make it through. Every night it's the same, I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems, and all of my problems, and where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. I'm numb as a poison, flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise.
Okay, so because I want to prep for 75-day hard, I think one of the major things that I have a problem with is I have different energies on different days. So I want to make sure that I'm prepared because I know me, I know my struggles, I know my problems. I just want to deal with them beforehand, before the situation even comes up, so that if at all such a situation arises, I am prepared for it and I know exactly what to do. You create different energy routines so that you would stick to a routine in some or the other way. I think I want to apply that to 75-day hard challenge. I mean, I still don't know how or what I'm going to do. I want to create high energy, okay energy, and low energy routines for this challenge. Okay, so I think I want to have, because we have two workouts that you have to finish, I think one workout would be 45 indoor and 45 outdoor. The main issue that I want to tackle is my 45-minute indoor workout. So I don't want to skip it. I don't want to make it a problem in any sense. So if my high energy routine would be to have a 45-minute high intensity workout, I mean, I would do it 3:30 and I would finish off my strength training schedule as well. That would be my high energy days. So for okay energy, I would do treadmill for 20 minutes. I would get my heart pumping and I would finish my strength training. And this 20 or 30-minute walk would be with no incline. And for my low energy routine, I want to just walk for 45 minutes. Next, taking a walk and finishing 10k steps. On okay and high energy days, I just want to take a walk for 45 minutes and get done with it. I would not push myself more than what needs to be done just because I don't have the energy to do it. There's this other rule that you have to follow a diet. So for this particular 75-day hard challenge, I think I want to have protein rich foods so that I don't have cravings, because that's a potential problem for me. The only way I can deal with my cravings is to have protein rich food. So I think that would be my diet. No cheat meals, obviously, and no alcohol. I don't have a problem with it at all. Drink a gallon of water that also I'm pretty sure it's manageable for me. I don't need to have a high energy or low energy sort of a situation. I don't think I'll have that with that. So next is read 10 pages. So I want to create a window in the morning and in the evening. So on an ideal day, I would read as much as possible. Next is take a progress picture. Okay, so this is something that I would struggle with because I don't like taking picture whatsoever. Okay, even if I have a problem with taking a progress picture, I think there's no other way around. I mean, I don't care. I'm not doing this challenge for physical benefits. I'm doing this challenge because I want to be mentally resilient. This is one of the major things that I'm struggling with currently. So I think this challenge would be a way to become more resilient and do things because I have to, not because I'm not in the mood to. Yeah. So the point is, I want to finish this challenge. I want to be mentally strong enough to finish this challenge. So I'm just making sure that I'm doing everything in my power currently to make sure that I finish the challenge. So I am super happy with this high energy, okay energy sort of a situation. I think I've tackled the problem areas I could have a problem with. So I'm happy with that. I do want to create a tracker. I mean, should I do it in Notion? Should I do it in, I'm not sure. I think I would do it in the notebook itself.
Where did it go? The feeling of thirst, desire to be a rock in my heels. Numbers of poison flows in my veins. Guess I got used to avoiding the pain. I know must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know all of my problems. I know. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I let it be.
This is what the tracker looks like. Now, all that's left is to actually finish the challenge. I hope everything goes right, and I hope I have fun. And let's have a great quarter. Let's do our best to make sure that our vision at the beginning of the year comes true. Yeah, I am super excited with everything I've done today. I'm kind of relieved, to be honest, because I still felt maybe I'm not feeling productive. Maybe I should do this, maybe I should do that. So I think today with this reset, I am mentally at peace. I am mentally ready for what's coming now in the future, whatever I thought of. I think I'm ready for it. I'll see you in my next one. Thank you so much for watching till now, and bye.